Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a leopard makeup look today. So we're going to start by putting tape on the corners of our eyes so we don't use as much concealer and it's a sharp ass line. And so now that we have both on, we're going to go in with concealer, and I'm going to use the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. And we're just going to dot that on our eyelids, and after we dot them on, we're going to spread on the concealer as a cat eye shape, if that makes any sense. And the reason we're doing this with our concealer is because we are going to be packing all the eyeshadow on top of it, and it's going to be making the main shape of it. So now we're just cutting it and making it sharp. I don't know if cut was the right word, but now we're going to make it a sharp ass line. So we cut a hoe, okay? And then now that we have one done, we're just going to do it to the other. So bye, bitch. Oh, hey, bitch. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the Fantasy eyeshadow palette because I cannot afford James Charles. And then we're going to go in with these three colors. And first we're going to start off using a brush, and we're going to use black. And we're just going to put the black on as the spots of the leopard. And where you place your spots does not matter because every print is unique and different. Just like people, okay? Unique. I don't know if it's just me, but I just don't know the names of my brushes, but we're going to be using that thing and using the lighter brown, and we're going to be packing it all over the concealer. And then we're going to take a skinnier brush, and we're going to go in with the darker brown, and we're just going to try to blend out the black and the brown so it's not terrible. So there she is, blending that hoe. Beautiful, beautiful. Alrighty, and then since that's done, we're just going to go back over with the black and fill out the black spots because I feel like they kind of faded over the blending period stage. So just pack that hoe on. Look at that. Yep, you see that? Oh, here we go. Magic. Okay, and so now we're going to go in with the same concealer we used at first. So we're just going to be tracing it out. Now that's what I call a snack break. Alright, and back at it. Just a quick little break, okay? So now that we got both of those done, are we doing that? Here we go. Magic! Okay, and damn, bitch, you looking good. Alright, and then next we're going to be put on the NYX Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and definitely a Turn On Waterproof Extreme Shine eyeliner. And we're going to be putting that in the eyelids, and then we're going to be going in with the retractable brow pencil from Wet n Wild. And we're just going to be kind of tracing out where I wish I had an eyebrow. So we're doing that. We're laughing. Oh. Now we're going to be filling and correcting the fuck-ups in the eyebrow. Because literally want that shit perfect. Okay, and now we got both done. And after we do both, we're looking at my eyes. Yummy. But we're going to be using the Wet n Wild the Photo Focus face primer, and it's matte, so we're just rubbing that shit in. The next, we're going to be using the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt, and we're just going to be brushing those hoes. And after we do that, we're going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear in the shade 400. And we're going to grab a beauty blender and splot. A little splot. Okay? Splot. It's literally a pump for like each section of my face. But we're going to be blending. Blend. Blend is literally the most important thing you could ever do in your fucking life. Okay? So we're blending. And after blending, we're going in with the same concealer we've been using this whole time. And we're just correcting those pimples. Blend, blend, blend. Because my foundation is not cover enough, but I like how it looks on my face. So here we go with another layer. Yes, cake, 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 cake. Yep. And now we're going in with the same concealer under the eyes though. And we blend that. So now we're gonna be doing the forehead and chin. Blend, blend, blend. And after we blend, we're gonna go in with the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder 05, the color Fair. And we're gonna be going in with the e.l.f. Total Face Brush. And we're just going in under my eyes. And then now we're going in with another e.l.f. Total Face Brush. And we're going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me 110 Porcelain Powder. And we're going to pack that hell all over my face. After I pack that on, we're going to go in with the same brush we used, I think, for the black. And we're going to go in with the darker brown. And then we're going to be using that on the lower lash line. And we're going to try to fade it out. We're not going to make it a blunt line or anything. So now I'm grabbing the bigger brush and I'm going to be using the lighter color of the brown that we used on our eyelid. I'm just going to shade it in, blend, 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 blend. I'm telling you, blending, winning. We're going to go in with the Mega Length Wet n Wild Mascara. And we're going to grab our eyelash curler and we're just going to curl them before we flick them. And now we're flicking. And after we flick, we're going to do the bottom flicking of the lash line. Yes. Okay, and then now we have both done. So we're going to go in with the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner. And we're just going to go in at the front top of the eyes. Why? I don't know. I just thought it was a grand idea. So we did it. And then next we're going to be putting on our Amazon lashes. And then there's me point. Yep, there. That's the one I'm going to use. Here's a little close-up with the glue on it. And then next for the contour, we're going to use the Revlon Color Stay in the shade Medium Deep. Blend. You already know. So now we're going to be grabbing we're going to be using that brush instead. And we're going to be using that on the nose to contour. There's a little line, and then after that we're going to be blending it with the brush I just showed you. And then now we're going to be baking, and the baking I'm using is the same Fit Me powder, the loose finishing powder. So we can cut some hoes with their cheekbones. And now we're going to dust that hoe off, and then we're going to use the e.l.f. in the shade Blushing. There it is. Put that hoe on. I do not use it on my nose. I don't think I kill it for a look on my nose. There it is on my cheeks. Now we're going to be going in with the Glow Kit from MsAaliyah brush we're using. And we're just going to feather that hoe on. Probably feather too much, honestly, but that's fine. Highlight, shiny, and make sure to always lock your eyelashes in. Like, make sure they are fully on those lash lines before you leave. And I only say that because I saw this girl at school before and it was like disconnected, like it wasn't even touching her eyelid, but we're using the Radiant Neutrogena setting spray, making sure those lows are locked. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys liked it.